Everyone knows the big names Haaland, Mbappe, Bellingham, but behind every elite team, there are some unsung heroes, the players flying under the radar while putting in world class shifts every week. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most underrated players of the 2024-25 football season. Let's shine the light where it truly begins. Number 10, Ben White. Ben White has quietly become one of the most reliable defenders in the Premier League. Whether at right back or centre back, he's composed on the ball, tough in the tackle and tactically flexible. He rarely makes headlines, but Mikel Arteta trusts him to handle the dirty work every single match day. Number 9, Manuel Akanji. Manuel Akanji doesn't get the headlines like Diaz or Walker, but he's been one of the Pep Guardiola's most trusted defenders this season. Whether it's at centre back, right back, or even as an inverted fullback, Akanji always delivers. His intelligence, passing range, and calm under pressure are vital to City's system, and you won't see flashy skills, but you'll see results, and that's what makes Akanji so underrated. Number 8, Florian Wirtz. Yes, Wirtz is young and on the radar, but he's still criminally underrated considering how vital he's been to Xabi Alonso's unbeaten Leverkusen side. His stance, creation, movement, and composure in the final third make him a future world-class star and a current game changer. Number 7, Luis Diaz. With Salah and Nunez grabbing headlines, Luis Diaz often goes unnoticed, but watch closely. His relentless passing, quick feet, and goal-scoring ability makes him crucial to Arne Slot's system. He's not just flair, he's end product. Number 6, Diego Dalot. Diego Dalot might just be the most underrated player at Manchester United this season. While the spotlight often falls on Rashford or Bruno Fernandes, Dalot has quietly put in consistent, high-level performances on both flanks. His work rate is immense, his positioning has matured, and he's even chipped in with some stunning goals, whether it's a last-ditch attack or a pinpoint delivery. Dalot rarely puts a foot wrong in a turbulent season for Manchester United. He's been a rock. Who's the most underrated baller you've been watching this season? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone's. And don't forget to subscribe for more football deep dives. Now into the top 5. Number 5, Rodrigo. While Vinicius and Bellingham dominates headline, Rodrigo keeps delivering quietly, big goals in big moments, incredible work off the ball. He is tactically brilliant and always shows up when it matters. Madridistas know Rodrigo's that guy. Number 4, Xhaka, Bayer Leverkusen. Grant Xhaka has transformed under Xabi Alonso. He's controlling tempo, organizing structure, and leading by example. His redemption arc after Arsenal has been nothing short of elite, and yet he still doesn't get the respect he deserves. Number 3, Tomori, AC Milan. Left out of the England squad for too often, Tomori has been immense for Milan, strong, fast, and smart. He's the full package at centre back. Milan fans rate him highly, but the rest of the world is sleeping. Number 2, Pascal Gross, Brighton. Gross has quietly become Brighton's brain in midfield. Every year after year, he delivers. He doesn't have the flash of other, but his consistency, intelligence, and technique makes him one of the most underrated midfielders in Europe. Number 1 is Martin Odegaard, Arsenal. Yes, he's Arsenal captain. Yes, he's got stats, but somehow Odegaard still doesn't get the credit he deserves. His spatial awareness, timing, and leadership are elite. He dictates plays like a seasoned veteran, and he's only in his mid-20s, the most underrated star in football right now. Football is a team sport, and these players prove it's not just about headlines, it's about heart, consistency, and intelligence. Whether it's a tactical genius or a defensive rock, every team needs these underrated heroes. Did we miss your favorite? Drop it below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.